there are references to possibly 3 or 4 meetings in 8 years. And if anybody has seen my website or had done the homework, but I decided to tell the Yuva Necha, Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, because he winked at me and asked me, name an interesting places. So I said, I'll send you a note. And in that note, I told him that after I retired as India's ambassador to the UN, a few months later, I was invited to join the International Peace Institute. The International Peace Institute is an institute which was set up many, many years earlier for the purposes of international peacekeeping by the UN. But I was not part of the IPI per se. I was Secretary General of something called the Independent Commission on Multilateralism. This was a commission set up in the IPI as a project to see if the United Nations was fit for purpose on the occasion of its 75th anniversary. Okay? Now, the president of this, the chair of this was a former Prime Minister of Australia. I was the Secretary General. My boss in the IPI, Mr. Terje Rod Larsen, was the person who knew this particular infamous person, Mr. Epstein. And it is as part of a delegation of the IPI or the ICM that I met Mr. Epstein on a few occasions, 3 or maximum 4. And the ICM was dealing with international issues, thematic issues, and Mr. Epstein was not part of it. The kind of people who were on the ICM were the former Prime Minister of Australia, Mr. Kevin Rudd, was a chairman. Borge Brende from Norway, who I believe is the head of a World Economic Forum now. Hannah Tete from Ghana. Jose Manuel Ramos Horta from Timor-Leste. He is the president now of Timor-Leste. Miss Patricia Espinosa Cantanello from Mexico was a co-chair. And ICM worked on key international issues to see how the UN could be made fit for purpose. Acha, is Doran, very interestingly, in 8 years, there are 2 references or 1 email which I exchange, which is because they have introduced me, that is, my contacts have introduced me to a man called Reid Hoffman. Reid Hoffman was the founder of LinkedIn.